Xano Honest Review. Watch before using. Xano is a powerful no-code backend platform that's been gaining attention among developers, startups, and businesses looking to build scalable web apps fast without writing server-side code. But does it actually deliver? Let's break it down. First, what is Xano? It's essentially a backend as a service that handles your server, database, and API logic in one place. The core selling point is that you don't need to be a backend developer to build a solid, scalable backend. It's fully hosted, serverless, and designed to handle heavy workloads without you worrying about infrastructure. For anyone building an MVP, mobile app, or even a more complex SaaS product, Xano promises to save time and reduce the technical debt associated with backend development. Now let's talk about key features. Xano offers an intuitive API builder, which lets you create and manage endpoints visually. The API is automatically generated based on your database structure, and you can customize logic using a drag-and-drop interface or custom JavaScript for more complex operations. The database management system is flexible, allowing you to create relational data models with ease. You also get scalable hosting, ensuring that your app can handle growth without performance issues. One standout feature is workflows, which lets you automate backend processes like sending emails or processing data in bulk, a big plus for saving time on repetitive tasks. Who is this platform best for? Xano is ideal for founders, non-technical entrepreneurs, and small development teams who want to focus on the front end without getting bogged down by backend complexities. It's also a solid option for developers who want to speed up their projects. However, it's worth noting that it's not the most beginner-friendly no-code tool out there. If you have zero technical background, the learning curve can feel steep. You'll need to understand basic backend concepts like APIs, databases, and server logic to get the most out of it. Let's address the pricing. Xano offers a free tier, but you'll quickly outgrow it if your app scales. Paid plans start at around $59 per month, which can feel pricey for solo entrepreneurs. However, if you compare it to hiring a backend developer or managing your own infrastructure, it's far more cost-effective. So, should you use Xano? Yes, if you need a flexible, scalable backend solution without diving deep into server-side coding. It's perfect for MVPs, small SaaS projects, and internal tools. But if you're completely new to backend development, prepare to spend some time learning the platform. In short, Xano is powerful, scalable, and a game changer for those who know how to leverage it. But it's not completely plug and play for beginners.